All right, this video is going to show you how to do a APA cover page for your essay. So once you are finished your essay, you need what's called a cover page. So just go to your first paragraph, put the cursor in front of your first line, and then hit enter to space that down. Space it down until it goes on to the next page. So you have a big blank page. So put your cursor back to the top, do center justified, and you want to eyeball it, try to get it to the middle of the page as best you can. And then you're going to start with the title of your paper. It's going to be a two-part title. So I usually start off with the broad topic. So my paper is about school uniforms. And then you want to put the two dots. It's called a colon. And then you want to put your opinion, what side you are going to be arguing. So school uniforms, why public school students need them, like that. So should be double spaced already. So that's my title. Next, what you're going to do is your name. So say my student name is Dan Smith. Down. Next line is the name of the class the paper's for. We'll do LA10 for my example if you're in LA10. And then finally the name of the school, Kutztown Area High School. Looks like that. So again, article title, or excuse me, essay title, your name, name of the class, and then name of the school. So now you want to do view, and you want to hit, you're looking for header and footer. So header and footer, there it is, sorry. View, header, and footer. Click that and you'll take your cursor up here. Now for APA style, what you have to do on the cover page, you have to write the word running head, capital R, capital H, colon, again the two dots, space, and now in all caps you want to put the first part of the name of your, the title of your essay. So in all caps, school uniforms. All right, and it looks like that. Then you want to do insert, and you want to do page numbers. Make sure it's in the right. Show number on the first page is good. Do OK. And what that'll do, it'll run this all the way through your paper and the page number all the way through. So if you scroll down, you see there's a 2 there, and it'll go all the way to the end, all throughout your essay. So you can double click back into the main field, come back to your essay. I like to space back up till it gets onto the front page, space back down, indent, kind of perfect spacing there. And you see also it says running head down here. So this is an advanced move now. You don't need the word running head in the rest of your essay. So if you come up here, double click back into this field, this will turn purple. It says header and footer. If you click there, it gives you an option here. Under options it says different first page. If you click there, it allows you to do a different first page than running head. You might have to redo it. That's okay. School uniforms. On the right hand side, insert again. You want your page numbers back. Right is good. Okay, like that. If you go down then, come into your second page, and then you can delete running head like that. Double click back in. So if you look at your first page, says running head, but then through the rest of your essay, it does not say that anymore. So that's how you do a cover page. The last thing you want to remember is at the end, you got to go to a clean space page and you want to get your references list in there. Where is your information coming from? Go to Noodle Tools. My student name is LA10, Johnny LA10 student. Go to sources. You're going to export your sources to Word. It's going to throw you a really nice virus-free file. Click that open. Just take it, copy, back to your title page. Again, make sure you space down to a clean page. Edit, paste that in, and your references should look like this. So this one's really long and ugly. That's okay. But notice if you do that, if you paste your references into your main document, you still have the running header, which is good. You still have the page number, and this is what it should look like. So you should always see the author's last name, and then everything else is indented. Makes it real nice and easy for people to sort of see your sources. All right. So once your draft is complete, don't forget to do your cover page, it's really the last thing you have to do for the essay. Print it out, staple it up, and you have a nice clean essay to turn in and get graded. All right, so cover sheets are easy. That's all there is to it. And if you have any questions, of course, just ask.